this was a big change in my life. Any entrepreneur, because I know that the word entrepreneur is used very loosely these days.
Yeah.
And it's like kind of
thrown around too much.
I really believe in that. If somebody needs to do something big, or somebody's out there listening to this, go to the extreme. You have to go to the extreme.
Yeah.
There's no like, hey, you know what? I'm going to party maybe once, twice a week. I'll be okay. You got to give that shit up.
You got to go all in.
Like, stop drinking, stop going out. Friends will always be there.
Yep.
Your close friends who really
believe
in you, right? There's a lot of acquaintances, a lot of bullshit out there too.
There are.
But there are some close friends that will understand that if you're missing for a few months and you're trying to develop your life, trying to develop your business, trying to be there for your family when you get home, and you're not always available, it's nothing against them.
Yeah.
It's not personal. It's necessary for what needs to get done. And that's where the stage I've been over the last 1 year.
Yeah.
And it's actually the results are showing now. Just doing everything to the extreme. So that the unreasonable hospitality is what I've incorporated into my life.